Problem 819. In this case, as you can see, you're going to have to select the commuting times spreadsheet. So you'll have to pull that up before you can fill in the rest of the numbers. And I'm sure by now you know how to do that. If you don't, then get myself or Adabeo to show you how to do that from the data sets. So what are we doing here? We're trying to find the average commute time in these cities. So that is mean. We are wanting to do a 95% confidence interval for the estimate for the population mean. So this is confidence interval for mean. It's not confidence interval for proportion. So be careful with that. I'm going to start off all of the examples with the spreadsheet that I have, the tab that I have, confidence interval estimate for mean, and we are going to then have to select. We're not determining a sample size. So when we do that, we have the values of 17.1075, 1, 203. That's the standard deviation, 138.8. The sample size is 30, and we have a 95% confidence interval. So these are, the data is in minutes. So how do we interpret this? There is a 95% probability or likely outcome or chance, whatever words you want to use, that the population average commute time is between the lower bound of 132.29 minutes and the upper bound of 145.37 minutes. So basically, we're 95% sure that the average commute time is between 132 to 145 minutes. In part C, so that's the answers for A and B. In part C, we assume that the population is normally distributed. And as long as the sample size is at least 30, we can assume that the sample is normally distributed. So we don't have to have huge samples. But the larger the sample, the more accurate we'll get, but the more expensive it is.